Hi friends, it's Sudhya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm planning to share an update on harvesting my potatoes. It's again another big and exciting day for me because this is also one of the first lifetime event that I'm having, like harvesting my own potatoes in my own garden. Actually, I planted the store-bought potatoes sometime around end of May, and today June, July, August, almost end. So it's 3 months now, and the plant shows they are done. But I did one mistake, like I didn't really hill them up, and I started seeing the potatoes when I was watering the plants. I noticed all the potatoes were on the surface of the soil. So and then I thought I'll buy some soil and hill them up, but I didn't do that. So I think what I have noticed is some of the potatoes started sprouting actually. So I don't know whether I'm going to get any harvest or all the potatoes started sprouting and they are kind of cannot be used in the kitchen. So let's go and see what I'm getting today. First of all, if you know what variety you planted your seed potatoes, then the packet would tell you the maturity date. Most of the variety mature between 90 days to 120 days. You can also Google and find out the maturity date based on the variety names. And of course, you could also ask your garden center people. You don't want to ask Google or garden center, don't worry, the plant will tell you when they are ready to be harvested. Once the plant starts flower, that is the time that they are starting to form the potato tubers. You can harvest nice size potatoes after 2 to 4 weeks of bloom. Another way to find out is that the plant starts yellow and flop over. That's what happened to my plants. Look at these plants, they look very sad and ugly. That means they are done. This is a weird potato. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so big. I have got the tub, so I'm going to lay them on this net so that they get air circulation. It is also similar to harvesting garlic and other root vegetables, so it is good idea to stop watering before you plan to harvest. I'll make sure to lay them on a pallets where I get good airflow and they don't get rot. If I want to let some smaller tubers to mature more, I can actually replant this plant. If you got ton of potatoes harvested and you want to store them, look at the skin and make sure to choose the potatoes that has firmed skin. When you just try to rub off gently, and if the skin peels off, their skin isn't matured yet, so you need to use them in the kitchen as soon as, because they won't store well for longer. Let them stay in a nice dry dark space for about 2 to 3 weeks for them to cure. After a few weeks, you can rub off the dirt from it and store in a cool, dry, nice ventilated area. Alright guys, this is the harvest for this year. And I left the plant and see if any of the smaller tubers are making it. But I think not bad for a first time gardener. I expected around 20 to 30 tubers when I planted these 4 seed potatoes. So I think I got the count. Only thing is the size is not very much encouraging. So you could see like there are only 3 or 4 potatoes in a good size, and there are quite few medium size, that is also good. But I don't know, the shape of the tubers are not really welcoming. Some of the tubers, let me show you, it's so funny. Do you guys see? It's like, I don't know, it's kind of a crunched shape. I don't know what is the reason. Maybe I didn't water them in a regular way. But the otherwise, if you look at the big size, they are really promising. So definitely I will plant potatoes next year. But what I'm thinking is maybe I should buy seed potatoes from the garden center and try, rather than the one I get it from the grocery store. That way I think I know what's the maturity date, and I can definitely get much more better harvest. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope really this encourages some of the beginner gardener to start thinking about harvesting their own vegetables at garden, whether it is a huge success or failure. Let's not give it up, guys. So I'm going to try next year, and I will definitely post a much more better harvest next year. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for supporting me.